Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Concept Window. In this video, we are going to understand the concept of acceleration. So let's get started. So now what is acceleration? Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity with respect to time. Okay, so let's understand this with the example. Let's take an example. I have traveled this much distance from my car. Let's take this as point A and point B. So at point A, my velocity was 5 meter per second. But at point B, my velocity was 10 meter per second. So why this velocity has changed from 5 meter per second to 10 meter per second? This is due to acceleration by the car. Let's write the formula of acceleration. Acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time taken. This is the formula of acceleration. Let's write this formula in their symbols. So, acceleration means A is equal to V minus U upon T. So, what is U, V and T? Here, V is the final velocity. U is the initial velocity. And T is time taken. Let's substitute the values in this formula. So, we will write the formula once again of acceleration. A is equal to V minus U upon T. Okay, so before substituting the numbers in the formula, we will understand what is U. We know this is final velocity and this initial velocity. So, now we will understand the final velocity and the initial velocity. So, first of all, initial velocity. Initial velocity is the velocity that was before acceleration. And final velocity is the velocity that was after acceleration. Clear? Now, let's substitute the numbers in the formula. A is equal to, so my final velocity is what? 10 meter per second. 10. And the initial velocity 5 meter per second minus 5. Let's take the time. So we will take time in how many seconds I have changed my velocity from 5 meter per second to 10 meter per second. So let's take 5 seconds. So time taken is 5 seconds. So acceleration is equal to 10 minus 5 is 5 upon 5. So that is 1 meter per second square. Acceleration of my car was 1 meter per second square. Due to this acceleration, that is 1 meter per second square, the velocity of my car changed from 5 meter per second to 10 meter per second. Now we will find out the SI unit of acceleration. So A is equal to delta V upon T. We can write change in velocity or V minus U as delta V, and time taken will be T only. So as we know the SI unit of velocity, that is meter per second, and the SI unit of T means time is second. So by solving this meter per second upon second, it will come meter per second square, and this is the SI unit of acceleration. I will write here SI unit of acceleration. Okay, now we will talk about retardation. So let me write here the formula of acceleration. A is equal to V minus U upon T. So can you tell me when acceleration can be negative? Yes, acceleration can only be negative when V is less than U. Means acceleration can only be negative when final velocity is less than initial velocity. Then only the acceleration can be negative. Let me write it in a formal way. Acceleration in which final velocity is less than initial velocity. One more thing that I want to tell you is it is also known as negative acceleration. So this is only a retardation. So negative acceleration is only retardation. Now I think that you understood all the concept of acceleration, that what is acceleration, SI unit of acceleration and retardation. We will bring more videos like this. Till then, goodbye. Thank you. Take care.